There was it again, guys. Here's a 40 team. Congratulations, you have won again. We'll see, we'll see. This is the old kind of old school. So hopefully we can get a big one, guys. Yes, 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 yes. Come on, big money. Only there, like minimum bet. Yep. So hopefully big money. Make me rich. Make me rich. Make me rich. Make me rich. Poker and all seven. Make me rich now. I'm rich now. I wish I can get the brand, yeah. It's about like 6,582 only. 4 more games. 4 more free games. Come on, make me rich. This is the old school. Yeah, I want the casino stuff. I gotta be rich tonight, guys, because I gotta be here till tomorrow morning. Tomorrow evening. Yeah, we're gonna be here 24 hours. Come on, for food, for French fries. Come on, for French fries and for French fries and pizza. Come on, big one again. Yes, yes, ace, ace, and the gold and the car. What the hell? What is doing? 5. And you keep make me rich, make me rich, make me rich, make me rich. So far so good, so far so good. Make me rich, make me rich. I got last one. Come on, big gun, make me rich. No, I never does the minimum bet. Minimum bet is 40, but I does the 80. So, yeah, that's it. Not that bad. Big money, big money, night money, big money. I'm rich now. I'm rich now. I think this is my good luck. The Japan one. My other one. There you go, not that bad.